is, last time you killed a chick. And I don't know why. So I just don't trust you. Just don't trust you. Oh my goodness. We're going to have a lonely one. I don't think the mummies are going to take to an extra one, but anyway. So we'll have to leave you with Apricot. Benefit of the doubt, huh? What are we going to do with you? We've only got 2 little houses. Oh, we'll just have to, we'll manage. Willow. 8 weeks tomorrow, aren't you? You're getting quite independent. Yeah, left mummy behind. Okay. Hello. Shall I let you out? Or shall I let you the other way? I think I'll let you out the other way. Hang on. Yeah, more grass this side, isn't there? Perhaps I should say goodbye to the tulips. And the bluebells. Ready? Stampede. Oops. Undo it. Ah. Wait for it. Here we go. Okay. Alright, Snowdog, where's your babies? You're all grown up. How you doing, Wonky Doodle? Not too bad today. You're quite regal today, aren't you? Come on then. You're right in there though, aren't you guys? Look at you. Yeah, you've got wings coming. Yeah, you have. So, we're not allowed to see him. A. And what were you? Number 5, weren't you? 9A5. Mum's going to look after another one. I did try. Oh, anyway. Oh. What? I know. Yeah, I know. I've ordered a little cover for there. Like this one, which is nice and cosy. Well, I don't think you can come out really. You want to come out? You can't really, because they can't get over there, can they? Look at this posh run. Right, and stretch your wings. How are you two? Looking good. But maybe we'll let them out in a minute. Oh, Mummy, they're a little bit little yet. I know, it's all exciting. Yeah, I know. Just for a second. They're not really big enough, are they? Huh? They're not really big enough. Well, Mummy thinks they are. What are they? 2 days. Well, you guys are 3 days, aren't you? I don't think they can get out the left either. You feel better for that? You scared you little ones, you know. Ooh. Careful, Mummy. I think we'll leave you in there, eh? Yeah, we'll leave them in there. What have you got? You got a slug. Oh, well done. You don't want to be sticky. Stretch your wings, Mum. Hey? Hang on, Mummy. Have a bit of grass. Like that. See? I know, it makes a bit of a mess, but it's okay. Come on, Mummy. Let's pop you back in there. I don't really think it's a good idea for those teeny weeny ones out. absolutely nice, Cilla. Oh, it's cold. Sun's gone in now. All off. Me? Or sunbathing? No, you stay there sunbathing, it's fine. I can see it over. What's with that? Yep, exit. Hello. Yeah, run away, a doodle. Yeah. How's your food? Yeah, quite a bit there. Yeah, okay. Good girl. I know. There's some cuties. Boop, 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 boop. Hello. Right wing. Right wing chicken. Where are we? Focus. There we go. Hello. How quick they grow. Hello. Are you hungry, are you? Okay, I'll get you some food as well then. Oh, Java's taken over. You're hungry, mummy, aren't you? Right, let's have a look. Still nothing happening. You don't want to move either, do you? Okay. I'm confusing myself. Did we leave an egg in there? Just in case. Oh, we did. Is it warm? Yeah. Fairly. Okay, mummy. We've been a couple of days without eggs, haven't you? So maybe it's not going to work. I wasn't expecting any other one. Oh, all chaos. The Java. Okay. Yeah, it's most of the time, aren't you? Conversation. What you got? Show me your babies. Scratching about in there. Look. Yeah, okay. We might let you out tomorrow if it's nice. What have we got? Got a little sulky. How cute. Okay, pop you back under. Dangerous there, I think.